Hello, you're welcome back, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can customize the ribbon and ribbon tabs in Excel. So as you can see here, I have ribbons, file, think, cell, home, insert, and so on. I can customize this. Okay, why I will need to customize this is to make it easier for me to use tools that I need for my analysis. Okay, for example, here I do not have developer tool, and my analysis may require me to use developer tool, and I'll have to customize this ribbon to add the developer tool to make my work very easy. And that's what I'll be showing you in this video. So now, if you want to add or customize ribbons, the way you're going to go about it is to go to this file, where you click on file, you come down to more, options, then you click on this customize ribbon here. Once you click on this customize ribbon, you will see we have this page where you have choose ribbon commands from. So you can see we have different options here, whether commands from, commands not in the ribbon, and so on. There are so many of them, but let's stick to the default. Here we also have different options for the customize the ribbon. Okay, so we have main tabs, all tabs, two tabs. So this is all tabs. This is all tabs. This is main tab, which is what we are going to continue with for now. So the first thing that I want to demonstrate is how we can add the developer tool, for example. So here, all these are tools that we already have customized on our own ribbon, but we do not have this developer and add-in. So I will click on this developer. I'll select this add-in. Then I'll come down to OK. And you see what will happen now. It has been customized and we have the developer tool here. So if I click on this developer tool, you will see we also have the add-ins as well. Okay, so next thing that I want to show us is how we can create new groups and new tabs. Okay, so if I come to file, so let me go back so that you know what I did here. From this page, you click on file, then you come to home, to more, you scroll down to options, and then customize ribbon. Here where we have customized ribbons, you want to create a new tab. Okay, just like we have developer tool there, you may want to customize and create a tab that you name a certain name. So in this very example, I want to have a tab that will do deleting work for me, where I will be able to delete cells, delete sheet columns, and delete sheet rows. So I'll click on this new tab here, and then I'll rename it by right clicking and selecting rename. Then I'll call it delete. Okay. Then here, let me just rename this group. So the tab will create a new group. Okay. Let me rename the new group as well. And I will call this delete function. Delete function. And okay. So what I will now do is to click on this delete cell, for example, and then click on add. So to add it under it, I'll click on this delete sheet columns and add to also add it under it, and then click on this delete sheet rows and add. That's added it under this delete function group as well. Okay, so I will show you what the group is all about now. So here is our tab, here is our group, and then we have these under the group. So I will click on OK. So you can see we have the delete tab here added to our ribbon. So if I click on it, you'll now see the delete cells, delete sheet columns, and delete sheet rows. This is where we have our group, the delete function. Just as when we come to home, you're going to see different groups, the font group, the alignment group, the number group, but these ones are all set by default. Okay, so we want to show you how to remove this in case you no longer need it. So in case you no longer need this tab in your ribbon, you just come to this file, click on it, come to more and options. From options, you click on customize ribbon again, and then here where you have this delete. Let me look for delete. Yeah, here is where we have delete. You just right click on it and click on remove. Okay, then you just click on OK. As you can see, it is no longer here. So this is how we customize the ribbon and ribbon tabs in Excel. If you're able to find this video, please like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.